Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do another palette bingo because I really enjoyed that. And I am headed to the grocery store. And I sat down and I was getting ready and I thought, why not film this since I'm going to put makeup on anyway and do another palette bingo, because I did really enjoy that last one. I'll link the last one at the end of this video if you want to go see it. I'm going to use the same 3 palettes I used last time, and they're the ones that are in my current makeup basket. I've got the moped. That's where my brain went. Nomad. Chicago Speakeasy. The Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. And the little mini Natasha Denona, the Mini Glam palette. 1 from this one. I'm going to switch it up this time. I'm going to do 3 from this one, 2 from this one. The last time I did it the other way around. So let me get my Pretty Random app opened here. Here we go. Let's start with a little Natasha Denona. Okay, we're gonna number 5. Okay. I think I got number 5 last time, didn't I? I got this one. You know what? Let's shake it again. I don't want that same color. 4. Okay. Better. 4 is this brown. I'm going to swatch these so I will remember what I'm doing. That is Seed. It is a pretty brown matte. Let me grab my makeup remover wipe. I use these just to do my clean swatches off my hands or clean my hands. If you don't know, I don't like anything on my hands. I'm kind of maybe a little OCD with that or something. Let's see. Maximum number on our Speakeasy palette is 15. So we're going to do 15. Okay. And we're going to pick 2. So number 11. Number 11 is this purple. That purple right there, and that is Blind Pig. It is also a matte. It's pretty. I'm gonna make it just a little bit darker there. Blind Pig. And 12. The one next to it is this darker purple right here. And that's Knock and Speakeasy. I hope I get a shimmer, people. I hope I get a shimmer. There we go. Now, but if I get an all matte look, I'll get an all matte look. Now, Pumpkin Spice. It has 18. Let me get in there and reset that. I'm going to open it up. I'm shaking. Oh, I'm going to get that out of the way. 7. Alright, 7 is Fall Vibes. That's that glitter right here. Alright, now we got some shimmer going. Oh, that's pretty. Here we go. Next, 11. That's another matte You Spicy. A lot of mattes in this. That's a burgundy brown. Let's see what I come up with. And number 5. Oh my word. Number 5 is Ginger Spice. That's the orange. So I have only 1 glitter in this look. So let's turn the phone off. I don't have what I would really call a base shade. So I'm just going to jump right in. And I'm going to start with Blind Pig, which is this one right here. And I am going to carefully put that in my transition area. All the way across. it really needed something there to help it blend, but we'll be okay. Alright. I apologize if you can hear my fan. My fan is on. It's 83 degrees outside. It's 77 degrees in my house because I refuse to turn the air back on and I have the windows open. And yeah, so that's where we're at. That looks nice. I'm going to take a smaller brush. I'm not so fluffy. And I'm going to go into Knock and Speak Easy, which is this one right here. And I'm going to work this into my crease. And blend as I go. Those look really pretty together, don't they? I am very happy with that. I am going to go in to Warm and Cozy, which is this burgundy looking one here. I'm going to take this brush here and I'm just going to put that on my outer V. Like so. I'm going to wipe that brush out. Then I'm going to go into the, what was it, Ginger Spice? Yeah, Ginger Spice. Same brush. I'll put it in my inner V here, on the inner portion. Like so. I'm going to take this brush, not add any product, and I'm going to see if I can do some blending in here. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to take my detail brush. I am going to go into this dark burgundy Warm and Cozy and put that on my lower lash line. Like so. I'm going to go back into Ginger Spice and I'm going to add a little to that, a little to the front, and blend it in to the darker shade on the outer. Like that. Take my finger. I'm going into Fall Vibes, and you know where that's going. Right in the center of my lid. I'm going to take a clean little detail brush and I'm going to blend these edges a little bit on this. Kind of tidy it up a little bit. That is quite some chunky shimmer there. It's a little glittery, which I don't mind, but I just want it to be a little neater. There we go. I like that. I didn't pull any other. I'm just going to use the shadows that I pulled. Oh, did I use the Natasha Denona? I don't think I did. Did I? Where am I going to put that? I am going to take a detail brush. I'm going to take that brown on the detail brush and I'm going to put it just a little bit right there. I mean, this is just to use the color. Oh, it's not bad. That looks kind of nice. Did it really add anything? I don't really think so, but it's a nice little added touch there. Okay, I'm going to go now, finish doing my eyes, as in putting, if I'm going to put any more liner on and mascara, finish up my face now that I have my color story here on my eyes, and I will be right back. Okay, I am back. I used a Tarte eyeliner. It's, where's the top to it? What's it called? Fake Awake by Tarte. It's a nude eyeliner on my waterline. Used my Tarteist mascara. For blush, I use Gold Rush by Benefit. Just a hint of highlighter is Prismatic Amethyst from Becca, which is, you know, been out of business. That's an old one. On my lips, I have, my lip liner is Natural Berry by Wayne Goss. And my lip is a liquid lip from Kylie Cosmetics, and it's in Kristen, I think that's it. So that is my look. I think it looks pretty good. I like it. I think it turned out really good. And I'm so hot, can you see? My chest is red. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you next time.